the Breakfast Club. Yeah, this Ray J. Put me through to Envy and Charlamagne and Angela. Uh-huh. Yeah, I hope. Hey, yo, Charlamagne, what up, man? This Ray J, man. We live. I can't cuss. Oh, okay. Well, I just want to say, fuck them punk motherfucker, pussy motherfucking fags. You know what I'm saying? Ain't nobody touch me. Ain't nobody fucking touch me. See, I play on that piano all the time, nigga. If I had one with you, be my boo. Nigga, I was singing, nigga. Ain't nobody touch me. All that fucking bullshit, man. You know what I'm saying? Ain't nobody fucking touch me. Shit. Nigga, that nigga, I socked that nigga in his shit. Nigga, I punched that nigga in his shit. Nigga, I'm the one got arrested, nigga. Nigga, I'm the one got arrested. I told the nigga I got the cuffs on right now. I twit picked my handcuffs, but you tell that nigga Fabulous twit pick his face though. Cause I socked that nigga. He ain't touch me. Nigga, I got 7 Bentleys outside, nigga, 7 of them. 6 of them Brandys, but shit, nigga, I got 7 fucking Bentleys outside, nigga. You think I give a fuck about this broke motherfucker? He was in an 86 Chevette, nigga. He was in an 86 Chevette. What? Charlamagne, don't you? Charlamagne, he headbutted me. Nigga, he ain't no Victor Ortiz. Shit, that motherfucker ain't touched me. He ain't fucking touched me, Charlamagne. I'm tired of y'all niggas saying this shit. I'm tired of motherfuckers saying this shit now. He ain't touched me. Ain't nobody touched me. I'm with the money team right now. Shit, nigga, I'm too cool right now, nigga. This Ray J. Nigga, this motherfucking Ray J, nigga, he ain't I'm the one got arrested, nigga. I got the handcuffs on right now, nigga. Shit. Motherfucker ain't touched me. Oh, I'm live. I'm live on the air, I can't cut. Well, that motherfucker, he ain't touched me, nigga. Shit. Nigga, I got an indoor pool, an outdoor pool. I got 7 basketball courts, nigga. I got 7 basketball courts. Man, I was on the piano, man. I'm on that piano every day. I'm up here in Floyd's house every day on that piano, man. I am Ray J, motherfucker. Yeah. Brandy's brother, nigga. Shit. Don't call me that shit, though, Charlamagne. Charlamagne, you gonna get the brand new exclusive shit, Charlamagne. I'm gonna call you and tell you how it went down. This how it went down. Nigga walked up, I punched him in his shit. So I was outside, right? You know, and I seen the nigga around the corner, and he was walking toward me. So I told the police, you better handcuff me. You better hurry up and handcuff me. And see, I'm gonna call up my big homies, and we gonna grab that nigga and all that nigga down, and I'm stick my dick in his booty. I mean, they gonna stick their dick in his booty. Huh? Why I know niggas that stick dicks in booty? Nigga, I hit that nigga. That ain't no question. I ain't answering y'all questions. Y'all listening to me. Shit. Fabulous ain't fucking touched me. You tell that pussy motherfucker, he better call and apologize for hitting me. I mean, he better call and apologize for disrespecting me, nigga. Shit. I told police, lock me up, nigga. Throw away the key. Hell yeah. I heard that nigga like bananas, man. I heard he like fruit. Shit. Nigga ain't fucking hit me. Hey, yo, I'm sorry, Envy. I'm sorry, Envy. I know we live. I can't just fuck it, Envy. Let me fucking cuss, Envy. I'm fucking